Welcome back to Angelo Home Tours. Today, we're thrilled to showcase Rochelle Estates by Lennar, a vibrant community offering brand new, single-family homes in the heart of Las Vegas, Nevada. With floor plans tailored for modern living, including next-gen suites for multi-generational households and RV garages for those seeking extra storage, Rochelle Estates is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. Plus, residents are just moments away from the dazzling Las Vegas Strip. Navigate effortlessly from the renowned Bellagio Fountain to the Rochelle Estates community using this simple guide. Let's explore the available floor plans. The Relle model starts at $625,990 and features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 4-car garage, and a single-story layout with 2,448 square feet. Step inside this inviting space with an open living dining area, sliding glass doors to the covered patio, an owner's suite with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom, and 2 secondary bedrooms sharing a Jack and Jill style bathroom near the entry. These are the elevations and standard floor plan for Relle. Priced at $630,990, the Evan model offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 4-car garage with RV parking, and a single-story design with 2,448 square feet. Explore this gem with an open living dining area, sliding glass doors to the covered patio, an owner's suite at the back with a walk-in closet and ensuite, and 2 secondary bedrooms sharing a Jack and Jill bathroom near the entry. These are the elevations and standard floor plan for Evan. The Pioneer NextGen model, starting at $620,990, features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and a single-story layout with 2,469 square feet. This home includes Lennar's NextGen suite for multi-generational living, with an open floor plan connecting living, kitchen, and dining areas. Sliding glass doors lead to the outdoor space, and the owner's suite is at the back, with 2 secondary bedrooms near the entry. These are the elevations and standard floor plan for Pioneer NextGen. Explore the community site map to choose your dream home location. For home sites 0006 and 0007 with the Pioneer NextGen floor plan, currently under construction, the earliest move-in date is June 2024. Ready to make Rochelle Estates your new home? Contact Angelo at 725-287-5242 to reserve your spot and secure the best available deal. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up to stay updated on new communities and exclusive deals. Thanks for being a part of Angelo Home Tours.